Fixing the issue of no heat upstairs in your house.
Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing how to fix the issue of no heat upstairs in your house. It can be quite frustrating when the upper levels of your home are chilly while the rest of the house is warm and cozy. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in.
Check the thermostat.
The first thing you should do is check the thermostat. Ensure that the thermostat is set to the desired temperature for the upstairs area. Sometimes, the temperature settings may have been accidentally adjusted or set incorrectly. Adjust the temperature accordingly and see if that resolves the issue.
Verify the vents.
Next, let's take a look at the vents in the upstairs area. Check if the vents are fully open and not blocked. It's possible that the vents may be partially or completely closed, limiting the airflow and preventing heat from reaching the upper levels. If you find any closed vents, open them up and make sure there are no obstructions like furniture or curtains blocking the airflow.
Inspect the dampers.
Dampers are devices that control the flow of air in your HVAC system. Check if the dampers are properly adjusted. In some houses, dampers are installed in the ductwork to regulate the airflow to different areas. If the damper leading to the upstairs is closed or partially closed, it can restrict the heat from reaching the upper levels. Make sure the dampers are fully open to allow proper airflow.
Consider balancing the system.
An unbalanced HVAC system can result in inadequate heat distribution throughout your home. Consider balancing the system to ensure even heat distribution. Balancing involves adjusting the airflow in the ducts to achieve an equal distribution of warm air. You may need to consult a professional HVAC technician who can measure the airflow and make necessary adjustments to balance the system properly.
Insulate and seal.
Lack of insulation or air leaks in the upstairs area can cause heat loss, making it difficult to maintain a comfortable temperature. Check for insulation gaps and air leaks. Insulate the walls, ceiling, and floors if needed, and seal any gaps or cracks around windows, doors, and vents to prevent heat loss. This will help retain the warmth in the upstairs area.
Assess ductwork.
Lastly, it's crucial to assess the condition of the ductwork. Damaged or disconnected ducts can lead to heat loss and uneven distribution. Inspect the ductwork for any leaks, holes, or disconnected sections. Seal any leaks or holes using duct tape or mastic sealant, and ensure all sections of the ductwork are properly connected. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to address the issue of no heat upstairs in your house. Remember to check the thermostat, verify the vents, inspect the dampers, consider balancing the system, insulate and seal, as well as assess the ductwork. If the problem persists, it's always a good idea to reach out to a professional HVAC technician who can provide further assistance. Stay warm and cozy, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.